Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by immediately closing distance. Sprint then clinch while reading your opponent's stance. Use L2/LT to lock hips and angle off. This stops counters and forces repositioning. Once you have hip control, feed gradual left or right stick pressure to set a shot rather than flailing. Make sure to monitor stamina and your fighter's base. Low energy invites sprawls. You'll feel the engagement shift when the defender's balance breaks. Commit then, because hesitation loses position. You now execute the takedown chain. Pick single or double leg by holding R2/RT plus a stick direction. Quick, short inputs work best. Mix a jab or lateral feint before the shot to shift weight and create windows. Timing the level change confuses blocks. If the initial shot meets a sprawl, immediately switch to a clinch takedown using L2/LT controls and hip movement to torque them off balance. Keep pressure and alternate setups so the defender can't predict your next input. You finish by securing top control. Once the takedown lands, clamp to side control or move to full mount with smooth right stick transitions to deny escapes. If the opponent sprawls, grab under hooks and immediately chain into a trip, kimura trap, or clinch reset. Don't try raw strength alone. Make sure to capitalize on stunned opponents with a couple of power shots to seal the position. Troubleshoot. If repeated shots fail, change timing. Mix feints and conserve stamina until an opening appears.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.